I walked into my new school. My heart was heavy. Everyone was talking and laughing, but no one looked at me. I sat at my desk. The other students had friends. They sat together. They shared their things. I was alone. At recess, everyone went outside. They played games. They ate together. I sat on a bench by myself. I ate my sandwich slowly. I watched the other students. They looked so happy. Every day was the same. I went to class. I sat alone. At lunch, I found my quiet bench. No one talked to me. No one asked my name. I felt invisible. One day, I was eating my sandwich. The yard was noisy. But then I heard something different. Meow. Meow. It was a cat. The sound came from behind the old building. I got up. I followed the sound. My sandwich was still in my hand. I walked slowly. The meowing got louder. Behind some boxes, I found her, a small orange cat. She was lying down. Next to her were tiny kittens. 4 little babies. They were so small. The mother cat looked at me. She looked tired. She looked weak. I understood. She just had her babies. She needed help. I had a small carton of milk in my bag. I opened it. I put it near her. She drank it all. She looked at me with her green eyes. I think she said thank you. The next day, I brought more milk and some small pieces of chicken from my lunch. The cat was there. She was waiting for me. The kittens were sleeping. I came back every day. I gave her food. I gave her water. She got stronger. The kittens grew bigger. I wasn't thinking about being alone anymore. I was thinking about the cat. I was thinking about the kittens. I had something to do. I felt less lonely. One day, I went to our spot, but the cat wasn't there. The kittens weren't there either. My heart sank. Where was she? Where were her babies? I looked around. Nothing. I called softly. No meow came back. I felt so sad. She was gone. My only friend was gone. I decided to look for her. Maybe she moved to another place. Maybe she needed help. I walked further into the yard. I went to a part I never went before. There were old desks, old chairs, broken things. No one came here. There was a small stairway going down. It was dark. Maybe the cat went there. I started going down the stairs. They were old. They were dirty. Suddenly, my foot hit something, a rock. I lost my balance. I fell down the stairs. Pain shot through my body. I hit the ground hard. My head hurt. I touched my forehead. My hand came back red. Blood. I started crying, not because of the pain, not because of the blood. I was crying because I was so alone. I had no friends. Even the cat left me. The tears kept coming. I couldn't stop them. Suddenly, I heard a voice.
Are you okay?
I looked up. A girl was standing at the top of the stairs. She looked my age. She had dark hair. She looked worried. She came down the stairs quickly. She knelt next to me.
You're bleeding.
She said. She opened her bag. She took out a Band-Aid. She was gentle. She cleaned my cut. She put the Band-Aid on my forehead.
What are you doing here?
She asked. Her voice was kind. I was looking for a cat, I said. My voice was shaky. An orange cat. She had kittens. The girl smiled a little.
I know that cat. I see her every day. She left this morning. She took all her kittens with her.
I felt sad again. But then I looked at the girl. You come here every day? I asked. She nodded.
Yes, I eat my lunch here. No one bothers me here.
Why? I asked. She looked down.
I have no friends. I like being alone. It's easier.
My heart jumped. Me too, I said. I have no friends either. I'm always alone. We looked at each other. For the first time in weeks, I didn't feel alone.
I'm Sarah,
She said. I'm Emma, I said. Sarah helped me stand up. My leg hurt a little, but I was okay. We walked back together. We talked about the cat. We talked about school. We talked about being alone. From that day, everything changed. We sat together at lunch. We studied together. We weren't alone anymore. We both loved that orange cat. She brought us together. Now I'm 25 years old. Sarah is still my best friend. We work at the same cafe. We make coffee together. We laugh together. Sometimes being alone helps you find the right person. Sarah isn't just my friend. She's my sister, my family. And it all started with a hungry cat and a lonely day in the schoolyard. Are you a quiet and shy person like Emma? How did you find your best friend? Share your story in the comments. And for more English stories, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Lesson of the day, Band-Aid. A Band-Aid is a small piece of sticky material that you put on a cut or small wound. Examples from the story. She took out a Band-Aid. She put the Band-Aid on my forehead. More examples. I cut my finger. I need a Band-Aid. I keep Band-Aids in my bag in case I get hurt.